Only Oriental Rug Care New York can take care of your Oriental rugs. With nearly 40 years of expert Oriental rug cleaning service to our community, we have mastered the rug cleaning process. Our expert Oriental rug cleaning service professionals are highly trained and undergo rigorous hours of field experience to further hone their skills. After analyzing your rug, we determine if there are any repairs to be made or stains which might require extra processes to remove. Then we carefully vacuum both sides of the rug to remove loose dirt, dust, and debris. Then we commence with hand cleaning your rug in our state-of-the-art expert Oriental Rug Care Cleaning Service facility. Our expert Oriental rug cleaning service uses ecologically friendly cleaning agents that are pH balanced, so you can be confident that our expert Oriental rug cleaning services are as good for the environment as they are for your rug. Our expert Oriental rug cleaning service is available at times to suit your needs and schedule. We also provide our expert Oriental rug cleaning service on an emergency basis with 24/7 availability so that we can be there when you need us most. Our business is rugs. We know how to clean them, repair them, renew them, and restore them. We are proud to offer our expert Oriental rug cleaning services to residential and commercial clientele in the tri-state area and offer free pickup and delivery to all of our customers. Call now 212-228-6300 and enjoy our free pickup and delivery service to all of our customers.